Surgical Tech Olympics is actually, I'm going to credit my instructor, my adjunct, Jennifer Nasbitt. She came up with this idea 3 years ago. She put together these new ideas, and we have been innovating it and making it bigger and bigger each year. They can learn the instruments, play games with the Mayo stands, and just use all the equipment that we use in the OR. And we added more games, and we go to the educators conference every year. And so with collaborating with some of our colleagues there, we've learned a lot from them and taken some ideas from them and just kind of put it into one and make it a fun day for students to basically learn new things that they haven't learned and reiterate the stuff that they actually know, and it really brings out their competitive spirit. So it's a lot of fun. We had a relay race, and they had to go to one section. They had to open 3 different items sterilely until they could go to the next table and open 3 more different items. Then they had to get to the table, gown and glove themselves without contaminating, and then their partner couldn't come and get gowned and gloved until the first student was finished with their activity. Then they would go to another station and go over instruments that they've already learned. So we put together riddles of different instruments and, you know, what am I? And so they had to grab the instrument and put it on the Mayo, and then they had to run back to their spot. So the first one done, you know, it's just bragging rights. I do have a lot of surgeons that come in and talk. We did a mock microscopic lumbar discectomy with one of our local neurosurgeons, and he did 15 mock surgeries with our students, pulling out 15 different types of his personalities sometimes. And the students really had fun, and it helped them learn, and it helped them work as a team. I'm really big on teamwork because the OR does not run without a team. It's not an I type of job. They are hand in hand with the surgeon. They're right hand man, basically. They're responsible for the sterile field, first and foremost for the patient, make sure the patient stays safe. Setting up the equipment, having all the instrumentation that the surgeon will need, anticipating what the surgeon's going to need to make that case go smooth for basically everyone involved, but mainly the patient.